Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to White Noise. Today I'm going to be playing by myself on the same map as last time, difficulty normal. I'm a little afraid to play by myself. My hair is messed up. Oh well. Let's get going. Character, who do I want? I want you. Let's go. Let's go. My mic is in a box. A cardboard box. Oh god, I'm afraid. My headset is turned up all the way. Oh god. I only have a little time to record today, so if I have to cut this short, I'm a little sorry. I'm sorry if I be quiet at random points too. Hopefully it doesn't show up before the first tape. My heart is pounding. I just hit my trash can. Run. Oh my god. It's 9 o'clock at night. I only have one lamp on so you can see my face. How's no shit? Wait, I hear one. Oh, there it is. How's No Shave November going, guys? See my beard going out? Oh god. Where is he? Just hurry up and show yourself. Just hurry up and show yourself. Oh! Oh! Oh my god. He's not there. He's not there. He's far away. He's far away. Oh my god. Oh my god. Maybe I should go the other way. La-di-da-di-da. Maybe all he wants is a... Oh my god. Oh. Maybe he wants a hug. Oh, I'm afraid he's gonna creep up on me. Oh, I'm so afraid. Maybe all he wants is a hug. Oh, oh my god. Why? Why is he getting close? I only just started. I only just started. Are you serious? If I get caught this early, oh my god, I'm terrible at this game. Just don't look back. Just don't look back. Never look back. I hear one. Oh, he's over there. There's one right here. Where is it? Is he over there? Okay, he's gone. Oh my god. I do not like playing these types of games by myself. And he's gonna be on the other side of the tunnel. Where are you? Where are you? Trial number 2. Did it get darker? Trial number 2. Oh my god. I hear one. Unless that's a green turd or something. Where is it? Thought I heard one. Maybe I can't. What the fuck is that? What the crap is that? My mic is not as far away from my mouth since I'm trying to keep the box out of the screen. Okay, my jitters are going down. Maybe all he wants is a hug. Do you want a hug? Whatever your name is. Oh, I do not want to turn it off. Is that one? Last time I had difficulties with my webcam because it kept blacking out at some points. I'm sorry about that. Haven't seen him in a while. Now he's gonna pop up any second. My Halo sword in the background. Oh, I thought the windmill was him. This is not him. Oh, no. Oh, it's this thing again. Thing's gonna make me pop out of my chair and hit the freaking table I'm on. Oh my god! Oh, what the fuck was that? Oh, hey guys, I'm back. The recording crashed for a second. You didn't miss that much, you missed like 30 seconds. Not that much. Hopefully it won't crash again. Stupid equipment. Actually, it's just, what, almost 8-year-old computer I'm using. 2005 compact. Sponsored. Not that good though. How many circles have I been in already? Meh. If this continues off this one, I probably won't say the outro until like, I'll probably do like trial 2.5 or something. I shall be coming out with another 2K14 video, hopefully very soon. I've been lazy, just didn't want to edit. Save battery. Hey, wow, it works. It got brighter. I found the path. It's only been 7 minutes. I can't believe it. Why does the recording have to crash? Why did it have to crash? Hopefully, it was only 30 seconds. I wasn't looking at it for a while. What's that growl? What is that growl? My back is hurting from sitting up straight. Maybe I should just give him a hug and get this over with. I hear one. Oh, fuck. What the? Oh, what is this? Please let me down first. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why is there a beach? Why is my flashlight going out? Keep checking my recording equipment. Oh, where? Oh fuck, get away. Oh, get away. Is he still there? Oh, get away.